Barn Owls, read by Mr. C, the teacher. What's awake? Some animals are awake when you go to sleep. Animals that stay awake at night are nocturnal. Barn owls are awake at night. What are barn owls? Barn owls are birds. Birds have feathers and wings. Birds lay eggs. Baby birds come out of the eggs. What do barn owls look like? Barn owls have white feathers on their faces. Their other feathers can be gray or tan. Barn owls have short, sharp beaks. They have sharp talons. Where do barn owls live? Barn owls live in dark places. They build nests in caves or holes in trees. They build nests in barns. They build nests in piles of hay, too. What do barn owls do at night? Barn owls look for food. They fly over fields. Barn owls find something to eat. Then they grab it with their talons. What do barn owls eat? Barn owls eat small nocturnal animals. Barn owls eat mice. Barn owls also eat voles. A vole looks like a mouse with a short tail. What do barn owls sound like? Barn owls make a loud hissing noise. They do not hoot like other owls. A barn owl's call might wake you up at night. How are barn owls special? A barn owl can turn its head to see what is behind it. It can hear very well, too. A barn owl can hear better than it sees. It uses its hearing to find food. Where do barn owls go during the day? In the morning, barn owls go back to their nests. They sleep until it's dark again. Here's a barn owl map. The wings, feathers, and talons. And here's a picture glossary. For the beak, nocturnal, feathers, talons, nest, vole.